In this video, I'm going to define several sewing words I'll be using throughout the course. That might be new terms for you, or serve as a reminder as we make our way through each lesson. So this is really important because if you want a natural looking hat, you'll want gravity to pull the fur down in a nice direction. You can see it lays really nicely. You can also see on all the pieces I have fur direction laid out. We're not going to be including that in any of our finished product. You can see it's a little bulging here. There's a little discoloration. We definitely don't want that. So the seam allowance is flexible. If you have more sewing experience or you've worked with fur before, feel free to shorten that by half if you wish. In the next video, we're going to discuss planning your cat hat.